Good day everyone, I am Sylvester Tereng Tereng Jr., web and graphic designer from the Philippines. I've been working since 2009 until now. My mission and goal in the company is to be part of it and in the team in which I can use my technical skills and capability for high standard upliftment and physical growth. I am already married and has one only son, and my education background is I graduated my course in Adamson University taking Bachelor of Science in Computer Science and major in programming. And I have experiences in web and graphic designing field. I work in StratVision Incorporated as a web designer since 2009 to 2011. And then I work in NNU Construction Incorporated as a checker or engineer assistant since 2012 to 2013. And then I work as a front-end developer and web designer in processweb.com since 2014 to 2016. And then I work in Infra USA Solutions Incorporated as an account executive since 2016 to 2017. And then I work in VRD Manila Incorporated since 2017 to 2020 as a digital and social media marketing specialist, graphic artist, and video editor. I also work in 3M Printer Machine and Part Supply as a team leader, social media marketing specialist, graphic artist, and video editor since 2020 to 2022. And after that, I worked in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia as a graphic designer, team leader, printer operator, and office staff in Squarehead Factory. This factory is a printing and manufacturing factory of paper cups and coffee pouch. So you can contact me in my mobile number. It is 0999-5985-770. This is a Philippine number. And then my email address is silverstark101@gmail.com. You can also reach me in my Facebook account with a subdomain with silver032189. And with my website, you can also check me with my website in my curriculum vitae. So thank you for checking and watching my video. Please contact me if you have any questions from my video. Thank you so much.